Well, for over 50 years now, our friends at New Dart have been helping producers with their animal health needs. And with us from New Dart is their Josh Newton. And Josh, first of all, why don't you just give us the rich history behind New Dart and how you truly have been helping producers for all these years?
Great to be with you today, Russell. So New Dart was a company that was founded in 1967 in a small town of Barbers, Pennsylvania. And it started out primarily as a wildlife company, working with wild animals and such. And as time has gone on, we've developed kind of innovative and novel solutions to all animal industries.
New Dart and their remote delivery systems is pretty unique, right?
Very much.
I mean, let's just talk a little bit more about that, more specifically to now how you've transitioned from the wildlife realm into the cattle industry.
So RDS, or remote delivery systems, just a vernacular for our overall business and business approach. And what that is it's the idea that we can empower cattle producers, veterinarians, folks that work with cattle every day to be able to safely and effectively deliver medications at distance.
Now, what sort of products does New Dart have to offer?
There's really two primary categories which New Dart has. One would be our projectors, or commonly referred to as dart guns, and our RDDs, or our darts.
Now let's dive a little bit further in that. What sets New Dart darts aside from some of the others out there?
So I think when you look at our RDSs, or excuse me, our RDDs, there's really two primary factors. One is the introduction of our slow inject technology, which reduces the rate of injection by 33%. And then also we have the lightest bodies on the market. So when you look at both those things in tandem, they reduce the trauma at the impact site, which is just better for animal health. And it really is a great benefit not only to the animal, but the people delivering those medications.
Now let's talk about the manufacturing of those RDDs and how and if you're making more of them and how that all works.
Sure. So over the past, call it 12 months or so, we've experienced supply chain issues, just as many have. And we're happy to say today that we're making more RDDs than we've ever made before. Inventories are up from, call it pre-COVID levels, and we're putting many thousands of darts out the door every single day. So we're hoping that, over the next 12 months or so, we're going to start to see these supply chain issues ease. We're seeing that on our end, and our customers will as well.
Josh, I guess talk a little bit about, the response for these remote delivery systems and what cattle producers are visiting with you about. I mean, because to me, it sounds like, wow, that's a pretty cool technology that obviously hasn't been around. It's nothing new. I mean, you guys have been around since 1967. What's the feedback you're getting from cattle producers?
We have an incredible, loyal base of customers in the cattle market, and it's because of our interactions as a company with them and their feedback to us that we've been able to tailor our products specifically for their needs. So that customer interaction as a company is great, and we appreciate them and their business and their feedback to us.
Now, if somebody out there is considering utilizing this technology and some of your products and services, is there recommendations you would suggest to them?
Yeah, I think the first place to start is always with a really robust VCPR, or vet client-patient relationship. That initial first step is really the building block of how these cattle producers can kind of get started. And then we've created first of its kind technologies in the educational realm that really focus and tailor on the bovine market, also the cervid market, but the bovine market, that walk us through how the products work, the safe and most effective ways to use them, and then that integration with the VCPR. So we're really proud of that.
Yeah, absolutely. I mean, that education program, the education aspect, and all of the expertise from yourself to everybody here at New Dart is invaluable.
Thank you so much.
Well, we appreciate the opportunity to visit with you, Josh. Again, Josh Newton with New Dart, providing cattle producers across America with an essential tool for helping deliver important animal health products. Again, for more details, you can visit them online at newdart.com.